lovely people. It's been a while since we met for our Nzema lessons. Today we are grateful to God for giving us this day. I'm really sorry for cutting off our lessons for a while. I'm back to continue with the Nzema lessons, and I welcome you all back to our Nzema lessons page or our Nzema lessons class. This morning we are going to look at some few items we make use of at home. How to pronounce the items in Nzema and how to spell them. First on the list we have bucket. Bucket. In Nzema, bucket is called Bokiti. Bokiti. And it is spelled as O K I T E Bokiti. I take it again. O K I T E Bokiti. Next, we have water. Water. In Nzema, it is called Nzule. Nzule. And it is spelled as Z U O E Nzule. Z U O E Nzule. We have Baka, which is stick. Stick in Nzema is called Baka. And it is spelled as A K A A K A. Next one we have stone. Stone. It is called Bolɛ in Nzema. Bolɛ. And it is spelled as O E Bolɛ. O E Bolɛ. Another one we have house or building. House or building. In Nzema we call it Sua. Sua. And it is spelled as S U A Sua. S U A Sua. Next we have knife. Knife. In Nzema we call it Dadeɛ. Dadeɛ. And it is spelled as D A D E Dadeɛ. D A D E Dadeɛ. Next we have Adɛlɛ. Adɛlɛ, which is spoon. Spoon in Nzema is called Adɛlɛ. It is spelled as A D E O E A D E O E. Next one we have table. Table in Nzema is called Ekpɔnre. Ekpɔnre. And it is spelled as E K P O O E. Ekpɔnre. This is the little we are going to learn today. Let me know if you got the spellings clearly or you are able to spell them without watching the video. Do that in the comment section. Please don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share the videos for others to also get access so that we can all learn together. Thank you for joining me in this lesson.